Those pad under the carpet ain't even. I can feel it because it makes the machine go funny directions. You got an uneven pad. Have y'all had it cleaned before?
We don't know.
Someone's been out here and they clean it with one of those machines that's in a van, and they use enough vacuum that when they pulled their water out, they lifted the carpet and the pad got distorted. I can feel that underneath the machine. I can tell because the machine kind of goes all over. That's because the pad's not completely. It won't hurt your carpet, but it happened.
I wonder if you lived over this area.
Over 2 years.
It's nice out here.
Do that or so I can stand on this.
In 1990, we had a major flood here in Brownwood. I worked for the ambulance service. We got 16 inches, over 16 inches of rain in 24 hours.
Yeah, we've seen a little example of it. This street gets flooded.
I was just say this area flooded. That real nice area of town, back out over there where they have all those big, beautiful, three-story areas. I mean, houses and stuff. Yeah, that was flooded. Of course, not up into the, second, third.
Our street flooded every time it rains.
It was a mess that day. At least your house does sit up on a plain area to where it drain away.
Are there no fault states where it's no one's fault? Then no, I think whoever does the hitting, like whoever's behind, always wins. Okay, I'll introduce you to
It's funny in here. It's kind of shadowy, so I think this thing's coming up, but it's kind of like a dark atmosphere.
Yeah.
So I can't 100% see, but I think
There's no light in this area.
Does it look different to y'all? I know some of it's lightened up. It's a funny kind of lighting, and the nap of the carpet it's kind of odd too.
Well, another thing that makes a difference too is that once it's dried, if you'll vacuum it, like tomorrow or something, it'll make it stand up and
It'll fluff it up.
it'll take away a lot of the marks of this little orbital on it.
I think it looks a lot better.
It looks good. Yeah, it's just the lighting's kind of funny in here because it's not real bright and it's hard to see. But I think
I'm surprised there's no light in this living room area.
they never sort of. Oh yeah, that's all right. It works good.
All right. The rest of the rooms are going to be too dark to get any video in, so I'm going to stop there.